One smoker. All you've got, set of bellows, there's a hole down there, hole there. There's a little piece in the bottom that keeps the fuel off where the air goes in, so it's lifted up. This is a Daedent, a big job. A lot of them are that big, but we use this because we can go all day and just keep going around doing bees. So we use a big one. Try newspaper that burns, because some of it doesn't. It's pretty awful stuff. I'll just say something about the fuel. That is a mixture of cedar shavings, chopped up, and it's been through a proper mincer to make it this fir bobs, all manner of leaf litter. It's actually got a bit of bay in there we put through, all sorts of stuff, just dried up, put through a shredder, and then we keep it in baskets to keep it so it keeps aired and dried, and that's it. And then the rest of it is cedar shavings, and these are for boilers, the little nut things that you can get in that go into a wood burning stove. If you buy them through a bee thing, they'll cost you about £12–15 for a bag like that. If you go to a shop that does boilers, you'll probably pick a bag up for £2. So please yourself where you go. But that's what we use. We use a mixture. You can use cardboard, you can use rotted trees, old willow trees, things like that that have all got that nice stuff in. Just if you see any, pick it up, dry it out.
Well, rotten wood is
rotten
a lovely
wood.
smoke, nice
Yeah.
cool smoke to use.
And what you're after is a cool smoke.
Boy Scouts do well.
This is the only time I'm going to show you this. After this, every week, you will light the smoke. Okay?
Nope. Scrumple up one piece of paper and light it. Drop it in your smoker.
Together with the match.
Scrumple up a second piece of paper. I know all you guys are old enough to know how to light a fire, but you would not believe the hours people spend not lighting their smokers. Now at this point you're looking for flames, that's all you're looking for. Then you can start to feed it when you've got the flames and the paper in, burning down to the red gleed on the edge of the paper. Kevin makes that look easy. I've got much weaker hands and I go puff, 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 and it takes me twice as long.
You can get smokers that have got, this has got a hell of a spring on it actually. Now you might think that's lit. It isn't quite where you want it to be, if you want it to just stand and smoke for itself while you're doing things. And sometimes they'll go down and you need to, before you use them, just pop them back up to get them going again. So that's the sort of smoke you want. It's cool, it's white, it hasn't got flames coming out of it. It has now.
Sometimes you have to poke it down with your hive tool.
Yeah.
Are you beginning to understand why this is an essential bit of the kit? Because you use it everywhere.
And that's it.
And if we were between apiaries, rather than going back into the kitchen, we'd have dropped that in a bucket of washing soda. Water and washing soda is lovely and good.
Yeah, we tend to use an apiary as an entity, and if you've got something that's got something in it, they'll all have something in it, because the bees do wander from one to another. And when you've got drones, drones will be accepted in any hive. They're not hive particular. They're quite happy to just sort of bob in and out and move about. If you were to paint a drone and and then go through the highs and put it in one, you'll probably find it in 1, 2 or 3 down from where you started
It's
off.
a nice game to play painting drones because they've got no stings. You can practice painting in so that you can mark the queen, and you can watch where he goes to as well. And then one day he'll clear off and go to one of your neighbours.
That's it, one lit smoker, okay? It doesn't always quite work like that.